How to turn off safe mode on Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off safe mode on your Google. Let's dive right in. So open up the browser and then go to the three dots in the top right and scroll down, go to settings. Now there, go to privacy and security in the left hand side and go to security. There you'll find safe browsing option. If it is set to standard or enhanced protection, set it to no protection and turn off. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.